Hello everyone, this is Trudy with True Wind Healing Travel, and once again that wind in the name of my site is appropriate. I am in the trade winds of Willemstad Curacao today, and I'm going to take you on a walking tour. Now I have been here many times before, and I have to tell you, to be honest, this is one of my favorite towns to not do anything and just wander. So today I wanted to put together a tour and actually show the highlights of the beautiful architecture and shops and all the things to do here in town. Now it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so it's a lot to see and do, so I'm going to show you what that is, so let's go. They're loving this being on video. When you get off the cruise ship, there is a historical walking tour, and here it talks about how Curacao is the largest and most varied of the Dutch Caribbean islands, and that this variety is expressed in a number of little bays and in the nature at Christoffel National Park. And the next one talks about how the population of Curacao is about 40 different nationalities, and 80% are Dutch Caribbean, and they're made up of a tapestry of races: Africa, Europe, South America, Caribbean, Asia, and Middle East. Very interesting. And the third one here says that the Curacao people are multilingual, and they speak Dutch, English, Spanish, Papiamento. Papiamento is the official language, and Dutch. It developed during the 17th and 18th centuries as a means of communication in a multi-ethnic community dominated by the Africans imported as slaves, whose Western African language maintained its structure and sound laws and borrowed words from all the other languages. Alright, and then we come across, this is the Renaissance Mall that goes into the Rif Fort, which is got a bunch of stores and restaurants in here. So this fort was established in 1828. Kind of neat to go through here at Christmas time. It gives you an idea of some of the stores here. I think that's great. Alright, so coming out of the fort, you see the whole historic district right before you here. And just to kind of put it in perspective, it's divided into two different districts and connected by the Queen Emma Pontoon Bridge, which is right in front of us. And the area that I'm on, this area is called Otrobanda, and when you cross over, that is the Punda district. So I'm going to be going through highlights, first of all in the Otrobanda, and then I'll take you over to the Punda district. The Queen Emma Bridge is opening up because there is a ship coming through. This is a pontoon bridge that opens and closes as needed. Isn't that cool? Oh, these guys are good. I think this is cool. There is called Handelskade, and it's that Dutch colonial architecture. So as you're walking along here, you can see that ferry sign in front of that boat, and that is where you take the ferry if the ship, or if the bridge is open. And so another thing I wanted to show right from here is one of the best museums in Willemstad, for history anyway. And so to get there, you walk here, you cross the street. I'm going to take you over behind that blue building there and show you this museum. Okay, so this is the Kura Hulanda Museum. Now this is an incredible historical museum on the evolution of the slave trade, the Middle Passages, West African empires, and the kingdoms of Benin. Now I have been here before. It is amazing. It costs $10 to get in. Anyone interested in history, definitely this is a must-see. I'm not going to go in today, but I just wanted to point out this incredible museum. Alright, so in the square here at Otrobanda, there's always good Christmas decorations. That bridge. All right, when you're crossing over, just to kind of give you perspective, over to my right, that's the Amsterdam Fort, and the governor's house or palace is that yellow building right in front of me there. And then cross over. Pastel-colored colonial architecture, and you can see all the seating, the restaurants where you can sit outside along the water there. And that is the Queen Emma Bridge, the one right in front of me. Alright, so let's cross over to the Punda District. And when you're coming off, they do have a taxi stand there. I have used that before. There's a nice Christmas tree. I'm going to cross over. Oh, I've never heard that before. It's nice. Okay, so I just found out something. This lady just explained to me that the floating markets are no more. 4 years ago, the government here banned it. They were vendors from Venezuela. So now it's just a general market. So that's too bad. That was really neat because they'd be, you know, on their boats and you'd be buying. They'd have a stall right here. But there you go. There's some history. But right now we just got a nice market. It's got a smoothie bar. I think I might go in there and get a smoothie. Keep our world clean. Very well said. So here I am at this park, which is great. See all the colors here. We'll go check it out. And I must say, we come here at De Buren, and we have crew members. We come here and eat and drink and socialize, and the ice cream here is amazing. This Champs, a lot of different unique flavors. So here we are this is an important piece of the history here in art. This is Chi-Chi, And it's a symbol of the loving household name for the eldest sister in the traditional Curacao family structure. And it's an expression of big love and big care. So the artist on the island is Serena Israel. And so you see this art all throughout Curacao. So Chi-Chi and Dushi, oh gosh, I gotta look it up. It's a saying in the area. Oh my god! And I can't remember what it means, but it's something to do with living life to its fullest. Even the back is creative there. And of course we have big Curacao sign, which is especially festive in the Christmas. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. All right, this is so cool. I've been here so many times. I didn't know this was here. I had read about it, but I didn't know where it was. So this is the oldest synagogue in continuous use in the Western Hemisphere. It says visitors are welcome to worship with dress appropriate. So I'll just kind of scan in here, but yeah, there we go. The oldest synagogue. Continuous use. Then also they have a Jewish Cultural Historical Museum. Also, just to kind of give you an idea, a lot of the back streets have colorful work, murals. This is just an alleyway here. The colors of Curacao. This is kind of cool. I like that. I love it. Color continues. Does it get any more vibrant than that? Woohoo! Oh, this is taking us back out to the market. All right, so headed back over to the Otrobanda district. Joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Willemstad, Curacao. And if you did like this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. And just to let you know, I'll be doing more videos like this because I'll be here until end of January. So please join me. Happy trails, everyone.